Let's be honest, nobody actually likes burying perimeter wires. It's tedious, they break, and it limits your yard's potential. Enter the Segway Navimow X430. This isn't just a mower, it's a GPS-guided robot that maps your lawn like a self-driving car. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, from mapping your first zone to creating channels and off-limit islands. Let's get started. Once your charging station and antenna are set, it's time to build your map. You have two options here, auto mapping and manual mapping. Today we're going to start with manual mapping. I recommend it for going around flower beds or steep edges where there might be drop-offs or other obstacles. We're going to start off by navigating to the first section of lawn that we want to map. So we're just going to remote control it until we get to that destination. We're going to start off with the manual map procedure. I like to do this on complicated lawns where there might be flower beds or steep drop-offs. So we're going to open up the app. You're going to see I have two zones already created. I'm going to go and open up the map section, which is the second little icon on the right hand side. We're going to click add more. We're going to click on boundary and manual mapping. We can now navigate the lawnmower with the remote control to the edge of the lawn where we want to first start our mapping. Once you've reached the starting point of your lawn, we're going to hit reach starting point. And now we're going to navigate the lawnmower along the edge of the outside of the perimeter. Take your time and stay within 10 to 15 centimeters of the edge. The more precise that you do this, the better the mapping will be. Take your time around curves, corners, and any other obstacles that you might have. And once you get within the perimeter and you see that green circle, you can hit done and it'll finish mapping out the perimeter of your lawn. If you're happy with the way your map turned out, you can hit save map. At this point you can create a channel because I had a section of lawn that wasn't connected to the other section of lawn, and I'll show you that step later on in this video. Now if you have more zones that you need to do, that's where you're going to select continue mapping. And for this next step we're going to use auto mapping. Now for the auto mapping, we're going to click add more, boundary, auto mapping, connected zones, and then we're going to navigate our lawnmower to the edge of the lawn. And once it detects the lawn, we'll be able to select start. Now that it says lawn detected, we can start marking this zone. Finish marking, and then we're going to start mapping. As you can see, it's detecting the mulch bed and as well as the edge of the gravel driveway. Saving is in progress and it's already completed. Now, it didn't look like it went right to the edge, and it does that in auto mapping. It stays a little bit further away, but when it does mow, it actually mows right up to the edge. Now for off-limit islands. You probably have things in your yards you don't want to turn into mulch. Maybe it's a flower bed, a swing set, or a temporary pond. In the app, we call these off-limit islands. The process, you drive the mower around the obstacle just like you did for the perimeter. Once saved, the mower will treat that zone like a no-fly area, vacuuming right up to the edge without ever crossing over. In the map section is where you're going to find the Add More and the Off-Limit Islands. We're going to remote control right around the edge. When we get to where we want the starting point here, hit reach starting point, and now navigate right along the edge of this flower bed here. Select done, and now as you can see in the map, this orange area is a no-mow zone. Now finally I'm going to show you how to create a channel. The real magic happens when you have two separate lawn areas. You don't want to carry this thing back and forth, right? I mean, it is heavy. This is where channels comes in. Let's say you want to connect this section of lawn to this section of lawn over here, and we need to cross the driveway. That's where our channel comes in. For this process, we're going to open up the maps again, select Add More, and create a channel. We're going to get to the edge of the lawn here, hit reach starting point, and now we're going to simply navigate our Navimow mower to the other side of the driveway here, to the next section of lawn. And once we reach the other side of the lawn, we select done. Don't forget to save your maps when you're all finished. We've now created a channel from one edge of a lawn to another crossing the driveway. And that's it. With the map, island, and channel set, this X430 is now officially the smartest member of your household. It'll handle the schedule, avoid the rain, and keep your lawn looking like a golf course while you're inside watching the game. If this guide helped you get your Navimow up and running, please hit that like button. It's the easiest way to help support my channel. If you have any questions about the mapping, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.